Sending money to family and friends is fast and easy. With Money Services and Western Union, you can now send money to anyone, whenever you want, virtually wherever you are. Whether you're sending money to your mom one block over or a loved one on the other side of the world, with Money Services and Western Union, you can send money with just a few clicks. Click Send Money Your Way and log in to the Western Union platform from your phone, tablet, or computer. Fill in who you want to send the money to, how much you want to send, pay the transaction fee, and hit Send. As soon as it's sent, you'll get a confirmation email with your personalized MTCN tracking number. Share this with your receiver, and they'll be able to track the funds or collect the cash. It's that simple. Want to pay for your money transfer in-store? It's easy. Simply start your money transfer online. Click Send Money Your Way and log into the Western Union platform. Fill in who you want to send the money to and how much you want to send. Then select the Pay in-Store option to complete the transaction in person. If you choose Pay in-Store, visit one of over 2,000 Money Service locations and provide your phone number, ID, and payment. Once the transaction is complete, you'll get a receipt with your personalized MTCN tracking number. Share this with your receiver, and they'll be able to collect their cash. It's that simple. You can send money to over 200 countries and territories, direct to bank accounts, mobile wallets to select countries, or even as cash, ready to be picked up at any one of the Western Union's agent locations worldwide. Register and send money your way. Click the link in the description below to get started. Money Services, powered by Western Union.